नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Alka Jain, JVN, Associate Professor in the Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. So the topic for today's practical digital session is combined oral contraceptive pills. The combined oral contraceptive pill is often just called the pill, only the pill, and it contains artificial versions of female hormones. Which hormones? The estrogen and progesterone. The female hormones, only the two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, and they are steroids, which are produced naturally in the ovaries or by the ovaries. So the combined oral contraceptive pill is a spacing method, and it is a low dose hormonal contraceptive methods. This method contains 21 hormonal pills in a blister pack and 7 iron and folic acid. This is IFA tablets in the same pack. And each hormonal pill contains the progesterone. This is progesterone is in the form of the norgestrol, and it is zero point 0.3 milligram, and the estrogen, which is in ethinyl estradiol, it is 0.03 milligram. So here it is a picture of combined oral contraceptive pills. In these pictures you can see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is, and except this, from these 7 tablets, these are the active tablets. Means the tablets, these tablets contain hormones. This is estrogen and progesterone, and these 7 tablets contain IFA. This is iron and folic acid tablets. Now, how does it work? Mainly the hormones which are present in oral contraceptive pills is estrogen and progesterone, and they inhibit ovulation and prevents sperm entry by making the cervical secretions thick. So the main action is on ovary and on the cervical canal. In the cervical canal, the secretion of mucus. This is leukorrhea. The secretion becomes thick so that sperms cannot penetrate the entrance of cervical canal into the uterine canal, and by inhibiting ovulation, uh, ovum cannot be released from the ovary. Now the eligible candidates who can take OCPs are any woman after screening, and up to the age of 45. The instruction should be given that consultation and screening must be done before starting. And for every new cycle, new pack should be used at 5th day of menstrual period. Take one tablet orally every day at fixed time, and any missed pill should be taken as soon as possible. These are the precautions which must be kept in mind while taking oral contraceptive pills. And the periodic follow-up must be done, and the advantages are the easy to use and effective and very cheap. And Taking of hormonal pills are controlled by woman herself, and it can be started and stopped anytime. They are reversible and doesn't interfere with caution and available under social marketing and free distributions. When taken correctly, the hormonal oral contraceptive pill is 99% effective at preventing pregnancy. That means that fewer than 1 in 100 who use the combined pill as contraception will get pregnant in 1 year. The usual way to take the pill is to take one every day for 21 days and then stop for 7 days. And during this week, there is a bleeding like a menstrual period, and next new pack should be started after 7 days. Now the disadvantage of taking oral contraceptive pills, that there are adverse effects on lactation. So in during the lactation period, OCPs should not be taken. The long term effect may cause certain diseases, and the side effects are breast tenderness, weight gain, disturbances in serum lipids, mood changes, increased blood pressure, and deep vein thrombosis or cervical cancer. So these are the disadvantages or side effects of taking OCPs for long duration. Now the contraindications are age above than 40 years, and the breastfeeding mother. This is during lactation period. This must not be consumed, and in breast cancer, treatment of anticonvulsant or rifampicin, and in hyperlipidemia, hypertension, diabetes, cardiac problems, or stroke. These are the medical conditions in which OCPs should not be taken. Now, the additional benefits of OCPs are that it prevents endometrial and ovarian cancers, anemia, pelvic inflammatory disease, menstrual cramps, ovulation pain, benign breast disorders, ovarian cyst, ectopic pregnancies, and ovarian cancers. So these are the additional advantages of taking OCPs. Now the failure rate, it is 1 per 100 women years of exposure, as I have told before. And the brand name is Mala D and Mala N. It is available free of cost in government dispensaries, PSCs and subcenters. And the difference between Mala D and Mala N, that the Mala D packets are come with 21 active pills and 7 iron and folic acid tablets. This is IFA tablets. So there is a 28 pack tablets of are there in one pack, and in Malayan there are only 21 active pills, but no IFA tablets. So after 21 days, uh, there is a break of 7 days in Mala N. So these are the commonly available combined oral contraceptives in the market, and the Maladi and Malayan, the content is the same, levonorgestrel, ethinyl estradiol, and the pack is 21 plus 7 tablets in Maladi, and Maladi is available only in 21 tablets. Lote Familon, this is deogestrel 150 microgram, and the estrogen is ethinyl estradiol 20 microgram, 21 tablet pack, and the Yasmin or Dronis, and the progesterone is in the form of drospirenone 3 milligram, and the estrogen is ethinyl estradiol 30 microgram, and it is also available in 21 tablet pack. The content, the hormone estrogen and progesterone are also, the tablets are also categorized according to the active pills, that is, it is monophasic pills or biphasic pills. In monophagic pills, The active tablets, the tablets which contains hormones, this is estrogen and progesterone, are in the same concentration, same content is present in all the 21 tablets. But in biphasic tablets, the hormone content is contents vary according to the period. So this is all about the session of practical session of oral contraceptive pills. Hopefully you understood well, and if there is any query related to this topic, please mention in the comment box. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you so much for listening.